Let's check out the next great Notion feature, which is synced blocks. Now you might have come across this before, that you actually want to have the same kind of content on multiple pages, not a database, but just regular content. And you want it to kind of be synced. So you want the same content to show in both places, but it's a hassle to basically make edits to both pages if you ever need to change the content. And that's exactly where synced blocks in Notion come in. So to add a synced block, you can just type in the / command and then type in synced, and you will see the synced block. Now everything inside of this red outline will be part of the synced block. So let's maybe add a heading. Let's do an H3. Let's say this is a heading. Then we might want to add some text. So I'm going to use my text generator. And maybe we also want to have an image up top. So this could be, some kind of highlight. Want to have an image. Let's choose one from Unsplash. So let's just choose this one of these cookies. So yeah, nice little image. And it's a bit too large. So maybe I'm gonna make it smaller like that. And why not have like a Q&A section at the bottom? So let's have some toggles. Question 1, and we have question 2 and question 3. Okay, so this could be any type of block that we have inside of our Notion workspace. You can add any pieces of content in here. And now what we can actually do is click on this copy and sync button. And if I just paste this down here, you'll see how we have just created a copy. But the awesome thing here is that these are now synced. So if I change this heading to this is not a heading, you see how it automatically updates down here as well. And this would work the same way if this was on multiple pages. So you could copy and sync and paste this somewhere else. So let's just paste it to like the top level page here, put it in here. And now in here, we can actually also change something. So let's say we change this image, or we add a new image, for example. Let's do that. So let's go down here. Let's add another image. Again, from Unsplash, and we'll just take this one. So now we have added this image. And if we go back to the synced blocks page that was just on, you see how it appears right here. You see how it appears right here. So it will appear in any of these different places where you have the block synced. What's even better is that you don't even need to add the synced block in advance. Instead, you can just paste any block that you want to sync, go to some other page. So again, let's go down here below this block, then paste it in there. And you'll see this menu pop up, which says dismiss, paste and sync, or link to page. So we have these three options. And if we just click paste and sync here, it will be automatically synced, and you'll see this will turn into a synced block. If I put some additional content in here, like this with my generator, and I go back to the last page, you see this was now synced as well. And we didn't even add the synced block ourselves. Now, sometimes you might want to remove one of these synced blocks from the synchronization. And to do that, you can go into the settings. So if we click on that and go into the settings here, we can go to unsync. And now it will ask us again. But if we click that and now make any edits to this page like that, you see they will not appear in the synced blocks again.